This is my new kitchen creation set. Here's all the Play-Doh. There's a fork. Another piece of Play-Doh. Alright, so you need to attach it right in these two little rectangular holes this direction. And you also want to assemble this right on top of this. So you can see these little two areas where you think that you can attach the little sliding. You can see that if you want to put the grinder in here, you can't just do that. You can open it and you can stick it right inside by opening it, and then you can close it up. This, and then you can lock it up. And so if you turn the handle, the thing will automatically spin. Two of the cutters. So the next thing, you have the plate. On the back of the plate, bowls and plates have little designs that you can cut out. I'll give you some pasta with the yellow. Oh, I'm just opening up the. Let's just start rolling it. Everyone I keep. Is it this way? Ah, it's working. It's going in. We don't want that much. Oh, it's coming. Cutting up the pasta. Now we got our noodles ready. You can start. Here we're gonna put shrimp with this design way on the. And now we have a shrimp. Fish. Okay. The final toppings. There. My pasta has been ready. Cutting out the ravioli shape. Stamping. Now we have green ravioli. Something multicolor. Dip. Ready to sprinkle it in. Here it is. Dough. More olive, whatever this thing is. Alright, so here is my food. We got some cereal, some ravioli with some cheese, some noodles with some nuts, pasta. We got some noodles with some toppings. We got some star fruits and some. We have different types of pasta. We have some fish and we have multicolored bread. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Please subscribe my mother's channel. Bye.